In this video, I'll show you how to connect headphones in a Zoom meeting step by step. First, connect your headphones to your computer or laptop using the audio jack, USB cable, or Bluetooth connection. Once your headphones are connected, open Zoom and join or start a meeting. At the bottom of the Zoom window, look for the microphone icon. Click on the arrow next to the microphone icon to open the audio options. Select the microphone from your headphones if your headset includes a built-in mic. Next, go to Zoom settings to configure your audio devices. Inside the audio settings, choose your headphones as the speaker output device. Make sure both the microphone and speaker are set to your headphones. Use the test audio option to check if the sound is working correctly. Adjust the volume if needed to improve the audio quality. Once everything is set correctly, your headphones will work during the Zoom meeting.